Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 teenagers, and if you are new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. That way you don't miss out on my cleaning motivation videos that I post twice weekly.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all?
I'm just going to throw this old quilt over the bed. That way it can cover the bare sheets just in case the doggy, which you'll see later in the video, the doggy will want to curl up there and hang out while I clean the rest of my room.
Spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go.
My dog Sammy is obsessed with water bottles, so every time we are seen with a water bottle, he begs for the bottle, and then they end up all over my floor.
And I'm giving in way too fast, way too caught up in the flashing light, keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on.
I have a love-hate relationship with my counter setup. That in the middle part is supposed to be a vanity. I have yet to get a stool for in there, but more counter space means there is more areas to be filled with clutter, and I'm grateful for the space, but also annoyed that we like to pile things everywhere.
Way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too Every relation is a struggle these days. Try to keep them alive, but we throw them away. Love should be a joy. Every relation is a struggle these days. Try to keep them alive, but we throw them away. Love should be a joy. Looking for love in every corner. The hardest part is to not think it over. Yeah, is he the one?
I have no idea how their bathroom mirror got so gross, but I don't know, that was super satisfying to watch this in editing, how clean and shiny and amazing the bathroom mirror ended up looking.
Love should be a joy. Every relation is a struggle these days. Try to keep them alive, but we throw them away. something doesn't.
I think it's important to clean off the doorknobs with some sanitation wipes and to wash down the bathroom door because a lot of hands touch that door. My daughter had dumped out all of the shoes looking for her cleats for softball practice, and I have my entire Ray Dunn collection coming on my second channel. If you're interested in that, you should subscribe to my second vlog channel. But for now, I'm going to pick up all the shoes. I'm going to spray down the front door and get that sort of cleaned up and sanitized a little bit. And I'm also going to be painting my front door here soon. I might do that in a day in the life on my second channel as well, because I think it's about time I fix it. He hasn't really scratched at the doors lately. I've just kind of left it, and I'm a dork. I noticed that my refrigerator needed a quick little wipe down, so I wasn't going to take everything out. I was just going to move it to the second shelf and wipe everything down and put it back. I don't need to do a deep clean on my fridge, but it doesn't hurt to at least monthly kind of go in there and wipe some of the spills up and throw out any kind of bad food.
Down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade, and the days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. My phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and there's no replacing. What we had is gone and it's all too late. And I'm better off, but I can't deal with this aching. The days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. No, I can't. No, I can't. 'Cause I'm still in love.
I love how easy it is to wipe out the microwave. The microwave is a heavy hitter in our house. I have teenagers. They love Pop Pockets. They love anything that you can pop in the microwave real quick, because otherwise I would be cooking all day long and they would eat me out of house and home. I rarely get the pleasure of picking up kids' toys anymore, but whenever my little nephews come over to play, I always bring out the basket of toys so that they can, I don't know, play with cars and blocks and things. I really don't have much kid toys anymore, but it's kind of bittersweet when I get to bring them out and they get to play with them.
I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make cleaning motivation videos twice weekly, so you can always come back to my channel and get some tips and tricks and some motivation to get your house in order.
Going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out alive. You feel that